Want to learn how to manually control your focus and your exposure on your iPhone? Coming up. To manually control the focus, just tap on the screen wherever you want to put the focus on. When you select the focus point, you can then drag up and down any place on the screen to manually set the exposure. Once you have your focus and exposure the way you want to, you can take it to the next step and even lock the focus and exposure where you want it. And then just place the shutter and you'll have your perfectly focused and exposed picture.